Alright, page 37, math journal. This is interesting. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at the picture. Right, find the value of each of the following without using a calculator. And here are the solutions of the girl, and they're asking us a question. Are A's solution to both A and B correct, and why? Right? This is the order of operations. We just need to, basically, this problem has it all of the rules about order of operations. So let's check A, right? What is she doing? So she's calculating division first, multiplication second, right? She gets 7 and this one. And this is the rest. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. Yes. Is this correct? This is okay. Yes. All right. Let's check the other problem. What's happening? Right? 24 divided by 8. She got this 3. Right? But then she suddenly, something happens. How did she get this 350? So this looks like 350, right? Everything is messed up. She didn't do the calculation in the brackets first, or like she worked the problem from the left to right, right? This is not okay. Not okay. Not okay. Okay? And let's yeah. So basically they're asking us, let's come back. They're asking us, how would you solve the problem? How would I solve the problem? Right? Let's check. This is how I would solve the problem. 24 divided by 8 brackets plus 5 times 70 minus 11 times 4 divided by 2. Right? What do you do when you do something like this? Right? What do? You do the operation, again, division and multiplication are primary. Subtraction and addition are secondary. Operations inside parentheses are primary. Parentheses, brackets are the same thing, right? So we calculate this thing first. We calculate multiplication inside parentheses first, right? 24 divided by 8 is 3 plus 5 times, we gonna calculate this thing, 70 minus 44, and we're gonna keep the rest same, right? 3 plus 5 times how much? 70 minus 44 is 26, divide by 2. Okay, now we're thinking about our operations. We have multiplication, division. Doesn't matter which one you do first, right? But we're doing this thing first. So 3 plus 5 times 26, 130. We divide by 2, right? Next operation is this one. 3 plus 130 divided by 2, 65. Our answer is 68. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Sorry, Anne, you're wrong. Alright, this is page 38. Let's think about it. Yeah, use different operation signs. Put them in the circles, right? Plus, minus, times, and the division sign, right? To write an equation which gives an answer. So, actually, to this problem, there are several solutions, different problems, right? And you can do something like this. I will show you one solution. Alright, you're gonna do plus here, and you're gonna do brackets here, and then times 4, minus 4, and then divide by 4. Alright, if you do like this, you will get your answer. It will be 7. Well, this is one of the solutions. Think about it. Now I want to focus on another problem, which is this one. Celia sat in an auditorium. There were 5 rows of seats behind her and 13 rows of seats in front of her. There were 21 seats to her left and 3 seats to her right. right? Each row had an equal number of seats. How many seats were there in the auditorium? We need to imagine a little bit, right? Imagine that you're Celia here and you're sitting in the middle, and just follow the directions. What is going on? There were 5 rows of seats behind her. So she was in the row, right? And there were how many? I'm not gonna draw all of them, right? But you need to understand that here there were 5. Now here there were 13 in front of her, 13 rows, and this is her row, that is, sorry, one row, her row. 13 in front, 1 she's sitting at, and 5 behind her. How many rows? You can calculate 19, right? 13 plus 1 plus 5, 19. Now, we need to understand how many seats. She's sitting here, this is her left hand, this is her right hand. There were 21 seats to her left. We know that seats. How many? There were 21. This was her seat, 1 seat. And there were how many? Only 3 seats, 1, 2, 3, right? So 3 seats. So if we calculate how many seats in the row, 21 plus 1 plus 3, 1 row is 25. What do? 19 rows, 25 seats each, multiply, and your answer is 475. 475 seats in the auditorium. 19 rows, 25 seats in the row, total amount 475.